Through steady steps and chosen ways, the inner field grows clear. What once was clouded slowly lifts as discipline draws near. Each practice clears another veil, each moment shaped with care. The light was never absent here, it waits beneath the wear. Through practice wisdom rises as impurities fall away. The path reveals what always was in quiet living ways. Discernment sharpens inner sight. The truth begins to shine. The soul remembers what it is beyond the edge of time. The body softens, feeling steadies. The restless mind grows still. The eightfold way aligns the life with deeper guiding will. What seemed divided finds its place in harmony and flow. The hidden self begins to rise as inner knowing grows. Through practice wisdom rises as impurities fall away. The path reveals what always was in quiet living ways. Discernment sharpens inner sight. The truth begins to shine. The soul remembers what it is beyond the edge of time. At first a gentle glow appears to guide the inward way. Then light expands through every layer of thought and word and day. The seeker becomes the light itself, no longer set apart. Living truth as radiant life from center into heart. Illumination stands revealed, not claimed, not forced, not sought. A living presence born of love, beyond all learned thought. Aligned with what is eternal,